Welcome to another exciting week. It's a pleasure for us to walk on this journey together. I have enjoyed the interaction with most of you on the discussion board. This week, I'll start by reminding us of the importance of engaging on the discussion board. If you can post your contributions by Thursday latest, it's going to be helpful. It will give us enough time to interact and keep learning, because it's very necessary for me to get feedback if you have any difficulties or any questions or areas that you need more explaining. Please make sure you take advantage of the discussion board and participate. To do well on the discussion board, I strongly encourage you. You can use some images, include your citations. Also make sure that when you are responding to what other people have written, you should ask questions, give feedback that will help elevate the level of the discussion and deepen the discussion as well. Last week, we looked at sedimentary rocks. We said there were two types of mechanisms through which weathering takes place. Chemical weathering and mechanical weathering, and the byproducts from these two types of weathering are those that form our different types of sedimentary rocks. And we emphasize that sedimentary rocks are important because we use some of them for construction, and oil and gas deposits are found in sedimentary rocks. This week, we are going to be looking at the geologic time scale or geologic time. We'll be looking at how geologic time is divided into different segments, but usually our time is in millions of years. What I wanted to be focusing on is the two main types of dating that we use: relative dating and absolute dating. In relative dating, we don't give specific times, but we can use that to reconstruct the geologic history of a particular place. With absolute dating, we have absolute times that we tie to a geologic rock or a geologic event. You will be able to understand how geologists figure out the history of a particular place. And there are two dominant principles that, or ideas or theories that have been used in the past to try and explain a different geologic phenomenon. For example, you may talk about uniformitarianism or catastrophism. Catastrophism was based upon the idea that geologic processes are catastrophic, in that they happen as a result of natural catastrophes that are big events that occur very rapidly. For example, flooding episodes and things like that. But the principle of uniformitarianism, which is what most geologists hold today, is focused on the fact that the present can be used to explain what has happened in the past. In other words, the present is a key to the past. So when you observe a geologic process that is occurring today, you can use that to understand how that type of process must have occurred in the past. You may look at something like the rates of sedimentation today. So if I can figure out the rate of sedimentation today, I can use that to understand how long it took for a particular sedimentary rock to be deposited in the past. Once more, you have my email, you have my phone number. Text me, email me, call me if you have any difficulties, if you need any further explaining. I'm available. Some of you are doing very well in reaching out to me. Keep up with the good work. I know this is our last week before spring break. Let's make sure that we end the week strong. Thank you.